Right, guys, this is the voice of 𝐬𝐬 Logistics. All right, so in a very quick one, I'm going to be showing you the exact same method that I use in funding my ads account, funding my ads with just Naira card here in Nigeria. All right, if you have been having issues in using your Naira ATM cards in paying for your Instagram and Facebook adverts, this is the solution right here. I'm going to be showing you a very quick video on how to go about it. Now you come to your Play Store or your App Store, you want to search for Ads Manager here. So once you search for Ads Manager, install it. Once you install it, all right, let me search for Ads Manager right here. So you are going to be installing this first one here. So once you install it, you open it, you want to sign in into your account. Okay, once you sign in into your account, you want to come to click on this settings icon here. You click on payment here. You can see that I'm having presently 199 Naira in this account. So if I want to use my ATM card now, maybe you are having issues in funding it with your ATM card, your Naira ATM card, due to the fact that maybe these dollar restrictions or $20 limitation on our bank cards. Guys, don't worry, there is a way around it. So if you're having issues, just do what to reach me out on this number. Okay, so I'll be clicking on add funds now. Once I add funds, you want to click on this option here, input the amount you want to fund this account with, 15 to this payment. So let me say I want to fund my account with 1,500. Now I want to click on done, select this option, click on next. All right, so it takes me here to open my Chrome browser and redirect me to the platform that I'm going to be making this payment with. Okay, so I'm just going to wait for this guy right here. This guy has already taken me to this website, and I want to click on this continue here to make payments with my Naira card. All right, so here is where you are going to be making your payment gateway. You can see that this is still on Facebook. All right, so they are going to be selecting a payment option for you to make your payment. Is asking for my card details now, so I'm going to be selecting this card. Then I'm going to be paying the sum of amount of 1,500 Naira once I input my bank card, so which I'm going to be doing right here. So once I'm done inputting my card details, now I'm going to click on pay 1,005. All right, so once I click on it, it's going to redirect me to where I'm going to be making OTP. All right, and OTP will be sent to my number right here, which I'm going to be inputting, and the payment will go directly. All right, so you can see that's taking me to this next page now. So I'm going to be selecting OTP section, so I'll click on continue. You can see that that is UBA. All right, so I'm going to, you can see that the OTP has been sent now. Click on confirm now and submit. So automatically they will deduct this payment from my card. So let me just wait for this guy to be successful, and you can see that this card payment went successfully. All right, so let me quickly wait. You can see that it's telling me that my transaction is successful. Now let's head over to my Facebook now to check if this account has been credited or not. Let me click on this guy now. You can see that I have a whopping sum of amount of 1,006. Okay, so in a very quick one, let me just go to my activities, payment activities. Now you can see that this is what I have in here, 1,500 Naira. All right, for me to claim that I use my um debit card, so let me just go to my debit alert now and show you what I have in here, for you to see that this is the payment that I just made right now. You can see that they just charged me this sum of amount of 1,500 Naira with my UBA. You can see that we have UBA in it. You can see that I use my debit card. Okay, so in a very quick one, if you are still having issues in doing this exact same thing that I do, or you have been battling using virtual cards to make payments for your Instagram and Facebook adverts, what you want to do to clear this thing is to reach me out on this number displaying on your screen right now. So I'll be able to help you resolve everything with the sum of amount of just 5,000 Naira. All right, so I'm going to be helping you to get this thing done, so you'll be able to make payments with your ATM card directly without any hassle of getting this thing done with virtual card. So you'll be able to pay with your debit card directly. Thank you.